Hello friends, good morning. How was your day going so far? I hope you are doing great. Your day is going so far good and your family is absolutely fine. So today we are going to talk about English language. How much important English language in your life. So I want to say something personally, especially homemaker. Still you remember you are homemaker, so you necessary you need a lot to speak English confidently and fluently because of your children's. Whenever you are going to a school, you are going to take admission of your children, so you can see there is a starting PTM and you are not able to teach your kids. Why? Because English language is very important. You don't aware how to start reading, how to start understanding, and still you can see how much it's very important. Still homemakers, a mother, it's very necessary to speak English, understand English. So today we talk about English is very important. It's very necessary for all of you, all of there are a lot of students and children's homemaker. So we are going to talk about how you can achieve your fluency. So fluently level achieve, it's very easy, but I tell you something. I'm going to tell you something interesting. Whenever you hear, uh, whenever you listen on YouTube channel, you learn English 2 month, 30 days, 90 days, 6 month, 1 year, but it's totally wrong. Why? Because English language is a language, not is a subject. You have to follow some difficulties. You have to follow some things because English language takes time. For example, you aware you know about grammatical rule about English language, but still you are not able to speak confidently because of practice, because of fear of public speaker, because of fear of nervousness, fear of confidence. So if you want to speak English confidently, so you have to practice a lot at home with your kids, with your family members. If your family members are not able to speak English, so you can speak alone in front of mirror, in front of camera, but you have to achieve your this level. Why I am saying, without learning English, I see my life. I saw my life. My life is totally fulfilled of struggle. I don't have any qualities how to show in front of audience. I have these things. After learning this language, people knows about my life or about my personality because of English. Because of English environment, I am able to speak English. I am able to speak. I am able to teach students. So just because people appreciate me, people talk, people want to talk to me. So it's very good feel whenever I talk to another people. So that's why you can learn this language and you can achieve. But don't think so much about this, how much it's take time. No, it's depend your hard work, how much you are going to start practicing. If you are speaking English in a very short period of time, so you will take so many time. But if you are speaking uh, 2 or 3 hours in a day, so definitely you will become a good speaker fluently only 2 3 months. So it's really true. So it's depend on your hard work. So I hope you are getting this point.